Yeah. So, s'il vous plaît, parler avec Jocelyn.
Yeah.
There's more content that you have with Jocelyn.
My name is Jocelyn, but then so many people call me Tijo, Jojo, but I was born in Haiti, raised in Haiti, carried with me the values of Haiti, the assimilation of Haiti to the United States, where I chose to become an educator. And educator for me is giving life, is giving hope, is giving other people the opportunity to become the best of themselves. So yes, my vision was always to come back to my country, which I started doing. I have my own space, my own house, my own land in Cavallo. However, I have been unable to go because of the political instability in Haiti. So I came here to Fort-Liberté for a few days. I fell in love with Fort-Liberté, and the same vision that I had for Cavallo, I was able to do it here, which is starting with my gardening. And then I start with my gardening here, and then the vision here really is to build a garden. So the name of the garden is Jardin du Destin. Jardin du Destin. Pour qui ça c'est non ça?
Destiny Garden.
Destiny Garden. Why we chose that name? First, garden is hope. Garden is life. Garden is love. Garden is love. And then destiny on itself is a positive opportunity dominated by production, dominated by hope, dominated by unexpected success. So this is why we call it the Destiny Garden.
Before we get to the garden, I got a lot of questions.
Yes.
And I know the people wanna have the answers. Let me say, when did you leave Haiti?
Well, I left Haiti in 1988. So I finished all my high school in Haiti, and then when I came to the United States, I went to the university, had my master's, and then moved on with classes for my doctorate. And then I was a teacher. I became an assistant principal. I became a principal. I retired as a principal in the United States. So I came back to my country. My vision really is to give back, to teach people, not to teach. The best word is to share people with the values of education, to share with people how to treat the young kids that are coming up. I remember when I was going to school in Haiti, they used to kind of beat the hell out of me. And then there is not what they call social emotional approach in education in Haiti. So this is the aspect that I want to bring to Haiti.
So after leaving Haiti, you were a young man, like finishing high school here in Haiti. So you had already carried the love for Haiti. Like, how did you keep connecting with Haiti, living abroad?
So once you assimilated the culture, the Haitian culture, you have the love for Haiti. So regardless of where you are, regardless of where you're going, the assimilation, the connection brings you back. It's totally bringing you back. So I was going back and forth, and I built my house in Haiti, and then I have big space for gardening, and then this is how I have family in Haiti. So I have close cousins, close uncle, friends, and relatives in Haiti. So I stay connected with Haiti.
Yeah, I see. Okay, you've been in the States since
1986. 88.
And after many years, you decided to come back to Haiti, like to live in Haiti. So what made that click? Like, why you chose Haiti to come back? It is just because that's your home country, or why?
Yeah, it was always my dream after I finished working in the United States and to come back, to give back to my country, to live in my country, to not only to share the skills, the knowledge that I have, I also want to enjoy the beautiful nature that we have. I want to enjoy the food. I want to enjoy my people. So these are the reasons why I come back to Haiti.
In Haiti, your family, you actually from Cavaillon, which is in the south. And now we're in Fort-Liberté, which is in the northeast part of Haiti, which is really far.
Yes.
So coming from the south, you need to, as it's not possible to drive from there to come here, so we have to take a flight from Lekai to Cap-Haïtien and then drive about 2 hours from Cap-Haïtien to Fort-Liberté. So why you chose Fort-Liberté?
First of all, being Haitian, you're Haitian everywhere. As long as you're in Haiti, you're a Haitian of Haiti. So you can live anywhere, regardless it's the south, it's the north, it's the northeast, wherever it is, you have a special connection with every Haitian in Haiti, which is the language, which is the food, which is the culture. So that means you're able to live anywhere in Haiti as Haitian. But the second aspect is the aspect of security that you have here. It's the peace that you have here. So when you're here, you don't have to worry about things that people in Port-au-Prince and certain other areas in Haiti people are facing. So when you're here, I've been here for about a month now, so I can't complain when it comes to safety. I can't complain when it comes to people living together. I can't complain with interaction. Going to the beach, people coming here, help me. Here, look at all of this. I have these guys just come every morning and help me. So this is the love, this is the connection you have with everyone.
Yeah, I got much more question, but let's get here.
Yeah.
What is the vision? What's
So
like
the vision is here, as the vision for here, as I said, we're gonna call it Destiny God, as you want to put it in English. But en bon créole, c'est jardin du destin. Bon français, jardin du destin. A dit que là, nous mettons son nouveau espace que nous mettons là dedans. Nous mettons la vie là dedans. Nous mettons l'amour là dedans.
what you gonna play here?
Nous mettons espoir là dedans. So, l'on marche là, deux beaux aïeux. C'est blanc. Banane, galalou. Banane, galalou. Tomate, piment, non mais non tu fais là, au côté.
Also not flower, that's not actually a natural garden. Like thing we can get food from.
Exactly.
Man, I thought that was going to be flower.
No, wow, people don't eat flowers. Flowers is just cosmetic. Yeah, so we want to be in touch with reality. So you cannot be in a country where people are hungry and then you're planting flowers. That's my own perception.
Yeah.
Where you see here, so we get a planting banana. Ça c'est difficile comme d'appeler là. Ça c'est pas Congo.
Yeah, pas Congo.
Ça c'est plus bas moi qu'appeler là. Ça c'est plus pas inconnu. One pas inconnu, mais ouais banana comment ça s'appelle là.
Oh, the banana as well. What a minute. My memory got full.
Point inconnu. Et puis ça, c'est la loi.
Oh, you want something so they only come here?
Hein?
I said 1 second.
Oh, you want me to speak English? I forgot.
Yeah, also.
So we have
Yeah.
plantain that is coming up. We have Pois Congo, and then
Oh, we have all the way like La Loi over here.
because you see the Pois Congo is out.
Like flourishing, like gonna get.
Yeah, very soon here.
So what's gonna be here?
Here it's a seating area. It's gonna be a seating area. We're gonna put what you call that? Un béton solé. And then we're gonna put mosaic on it. Here. We're gonna have a tent here. We're gonna have a tent here. We have music events here. This is here. We're gonna have a bar, and then we'll have a grill. And we have our chicken over there. We don't have to go
Yeah,
too
yeah.
far to get our chicken. Come on, get the chicken. Come get the chicken.
Yeah, let me ask you one question. But how did you choose Fort-Liberté? Like, how did you know about, like, how did you choose it? Because there are a couple options. We got Cat Kitchen, which is well known. We got a couple places.
Yeah.
In the north. Not just in the north. Even in the south, there are a couple places that we can
Why
go.
Fort-Liberté?
Yeah.
Fort-Liberté is just like I came.
Did someone tell you?
Yeah.
Did you come?
I met with a few friends. I met with a very good friend of mine, and then he's from du Nord. However, he wanted to come to Fort-Liberté. And then the day we were traveling, he had some challenges. He was not able to come. So what I did, I came anyway. I came by myself. I stayed for 2 weeks, and I fell in love with Fort-Liberté, and then I came back.
And that's why when you
That's
get
how-
back and you said Chipotle, man, you're not going to Brazil, man. You're not going anywhere else.
Nah,
Come to
yeah,
Haiti.
my brother wanted to go to Brazil, to Panama, to Colombia. He said, no, we're coming back here. So we're starting with our chicken. By the time those chickens are ready, guess what? We're going to come back. We're going to make chicken with you.
How many chickens are you at here so
So we started with 25.
How long have you been having them on here?
So I would say about 3 weeks.
About 2 weeks so far.
3 weeks, yeah. Yeah, 3 weeks, about 3 weeks.
Show the people your food. Okay. Got this chicken here, guys. Getting them cold. They're not hungry. They got food 24/7.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how is life since you come back here?
Life is great. Can't complain. Can't complain anything here. Cannot complain.
What could you say to someone that want to visit Haiti or a lot of people? You know, that's a dream for a lot of people. Moving back to Haiti, this is a dream for a lot of people that living over there, overseas. So what would you say to them like
I would say-
that are just scared of coming?
I would say to people, choose a place where you feel comfortable, where you feel connected. Put the fear to the side, because what dominates a lot of people to make a decision to come to Haiti is the fear of safety, the fear of security, and the fear of being kidnapped. So, and then I can understand that. However, if you choose a community that you feel that is safe, like Fort-Liberté, like Cavaillon, like in the outskirts of Ocap, in the outskirts of Cavaillon, or dans le sud, you should be fine. You should be fine. So I want to tell people, Port-au-Prince is not Haiti. Port-au-Prince is just only the capital of Haiti. So if things are going on in Port-au-Prince, and then there are other places that are very safe, so they can go to those places.
Yeah, you got different options. Like the states have 50 states.
Yeah.
You got couple states to
Yeah,
go to.
and then you can
Yeah.
be in Brooklyn, and then there are places, and then that are about 2-3 miles away from you. You wouldn't go to those places.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, they're all the places. Haiti is
Yeah.
10 different departments, man.
Yeah.
No, they're all couple options. Maybe tell them up from video.
Yeah, so basically, it's the opportunity that you have to go to other places besides Port-au-Prince. You don't even
so-
have to go to Port-au-Prince.
Yeah, for sure. You will have a beautiful garden here. And I believe that next time I come here, man, that will be something beautiful.
Yeah, next time you come, hopefully we have more banana.
Yeah, I'll be eating some for real, man.
You have,
I like fried chicken. I like gonna be there.
and then we're a little bit more stable because we are still in the stage of preparation.
Yeah, we just, yeah.
We're just still in the stage of preparation. So once we do this and we're able to finalize everything, so we're gonna have more time because this takes a lot of time.
Yeah,
This takes a lot of time, and then we'll have more time, and then we'll enjoy it. So you should come back March 19.
I'll definitely try to
March
come
19,
there.
16, 17, 18, 19.
Yeah, it's gonna be something big. Yeah.
Yeah.
For first. Like for those of you that are watching that don't know about that, the thing is in Haiti, like every commune, every city, they have a specific date which is the feast, like the party time for this area. We have the what we call Saint here in Haiti, which is their date. So the area, like the city or the commune, like that's the celebration date for the area. So that's what it's like, man. That's why they say in March 19 comes to Fort-Liberté. So thank you for that. It's
Thank you.
really a pleasure, man.